Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Let's learn how to write the letter H, capital H. Start from the top and draw two standing lines, one after the other till the bottom. Then go to the middle and join the two lines with a small sleeping line, small h. Start from the top and make a standing line to the bottom. Then go to the middle and make a curve reaching the bottom. Now you know how to write the letter H, so try to write it properly.